In this webinar, we're going to talk about how eRequest works with document attach inside Microsoft Dynamics GP. To illustrate this, I'm going to log in to eRequest as Angela. And today we're going to put on her staff expenses. So I'll go to New Request, Staff Expenses. Actually, Angela has created a spreadsheet with her expenses already in it. So what I can do from here is I can just go into my Excel spreadsheet, press the copy button, go back to eRequest, and using the Excel paste button, paste these expenses in. And here they are now in the expense. I could have entered them in manually, assuming that I didn't have them in Excel, or I could have copied them from a previous expense claim that I've made. Anyway, here's claim 21, raised today. Angela works in the fleet office and her department is the sales department. So using document attach inside Dynamics allows us to have a look and send the attached invoices and attached expenses to Dynamics GP. Within the accommodation line, which is Cresta Court, I can click on the attachments button and I can put hotel bill in here. And simply browse to where I keep my November expenses and attach the hotel bill. There it is inside eRequest now. If I click on the link, it opens up that Word document with the Cresta Court hotel expense invoice in here. Go back to my request line and just save that. Go to my parking Ringo, add the attachment. For my Ringo document, add the attachment. You can add as many attachments per line as you want to. You can go straight back to the claim. I don't need to go back to the, to the line. Go into the travel card to London, and once more, browse, put the train tickets into there. If I'm using eRequest, using a mobile phone or a tablet with an inbuilt camera, there is a camera icon here, in which case I can take a photograph of the tickets and add them in. Finally, I've got some entertaining, and it's Nolan Business Solutions policy that I need the attendee list of who I'm entertaining. So I have that attendee list sitting here on my folder, and that opens an Excel sheet with the attendee list of the customer and staff who's at that meal. So now that the claim has all been put through, Angela can just put a reference in this required field and submit it to Campbell McLeish, who is the sales manager at Nolan Business Solutions. Submit it to Campbell, and Campbell will receive an email saying that this request has been put on by Angela for his approval. If we want to look at what that email looks like, I can go into my Outlook. Here it is. I'll just click on it, and we can see it's claim 21 being put on by Angela Barnes, and the details related to that claim is sitting here. If Campbell's away from the office, by clicking on the Approve button here, it will send a message back to eRequest to say it's been approved. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go into eRequest as Campbell to approve it. So Campbell sees claim 21 come up in his request to action. He can look at it, he can go into each line, and you can see there's one attachment there and click on it to view it. If Campbell's happy with this claim, Campbell can approve it, and claim 21 gets sent to Dynamics GP as CPM 0009. That's the number, the GP number that's been attached to it. So let's have a look at what that looks like inside Dynamics GP. If I go to my home page, I see that I've got 6 new expense claims. I click on them to see the list, and here's my CPM 0009 entered today. By double clicking on it, it opens up the PO. I can click on each line, and what I can see under the document attach icon is that there is an attachment. So I click on the attachment, there's my Crest to Court document, there's the invoice. So Dynamics GP has received the details, and it's also received the documents. There's my Ringo attachment, and so on. And if I wanted to take a look at the attendee list, here we go, there's the attendee list of the people that attended that meal. So in this short demonstration, we've seen Angela copy an expense claim from Excel into eRequest, attach her invoices, an attendee list, and pictures of her invoices, her expense claims into that document, have it approved by Campbell and sent to Dynamics, where all those documents have been attached into the PO. Finance can now see this and process it accordingly. Thanks for your time today.